In this lecture, we take the example on differentiation under integral sign. So the first example is verify the rule of differentiation under integral sign for the integration of 2x plus a is a cube whole square under the limit 0 to 1 with respect to x. So now here we want to verify differentiation under integral sign. So let I of a is equal to integration of 2x plus a cube whole square under the limit 0 to 1 with respect to x. So let us first try to integrate it. So integration of 2x plus a cube whole to the power 2. So we consider this total term as a x. So what is the integration of x square? X square is x cube. This is x. So x cube divided by 3. And now since the x has coefficient 2, so this 2 will be divided by the whole expression. So 2x whole cube whole to the power 3, 2x plus a cube whole to the power 3 upon 2 into 3, which is given by 6 under the limit 0 to 1. Now let us substitute the limit. We are taking 1 upon 6 outside. This 1 upon 6 we are taking outside. If we put upper limit 1, so 2 into 1 is 2 plus a cube whole to the power 3. And if we take the lower limit, so 2 into 0 is 0. A cube whole to the power cube. This is the lower limit. Let us try to again simplify it. So let us first open the bracket. This bracket a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube. A cube 2 cube is 8 and a cube to the power 3, which is a to the power 9, plus 3a square b. So 3a square means 4, 3 into 4 12, and b is a cube, plus 3a b square. So 3 into 2 is 6, and b square means a cube whole square is a to the power 6, minus a to the power 3 whole cube is a to the power 9. So a to the power 9, a to the power 9 will cancel. So we have 8 plus 12a cube plus 6a to the power 6. If we divide whole, okay, this is the, we can take 6 outside, 8 by 6, or we can multiply by 6, 1 by 6 to the whole expression. So this is 8 by 6 and 6 2 is 12, so 2a cube plus 6 and 6 will cancel, a to the power 6. Hence, now this is the value of I of alpha. Now differentiating this with respect to a, we have derivative of 8 by 6 with respect to a is 0. Derivative of a cube with respect to a is 3a square. So 3 into 2 is 6a square. And derivative of a to the power 6 is 6a to the power 5. So now if we have given this integration, after solving this integrate, and if we differentiate it, the final value is d alpha, which is given by 6a square plus 6a to the power 5. Now let us, this is what it is, a simple process as usual process what we are doing till now. Let us do the, let us use the rule of differentiation under integral sign. Now using DOIS rule in 1, we have I of a is equal to integration of 2x plus a cube whole square with respect to x under the limit 0 to 1. So let us first look here. Here there are two variables, one is x and there is another variable which is parameter a cube. So therefore it is written as I of a. So this a is parameter, and now we want to use the DUIS rule with respect to a. So now apply DUIS rule. We have DI dA, which is equal to integration of 2 derivative of 2x plus a cube whole to the power 2 with respect to a under the limit 0 to 1 dx. So let us differentiate this part. Let us simplify this part with respect to r. We have to differentiate this with respect to a. So we can write down 0 to 1 derivative of x square is 2x, and again derivative of 2x plus a cube with respect to a. So derivative of 2x with respect to a is 0, and derivative of a cube is 3a square, and with respect to the limit under the limit 0 to 1 with respect to x. So this is the value of partial derivative of 2x plus a cube whole to the power 2 under the with respect to a, which is equal to, let us take 6, this 2 and 3a square, we can take 6a square outside. So what is remaining inside? 2x plus a cube with respect to x. So it can be written again. Let us integrate this one. So 6a square, integration of x is x square by 2. This 2 is constant. So 2 into x square by 2 plus integration of this a cube is constant with respect to x. So integration of dx is x. Now, if we substitute the limit 0 to 1, upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0, then we have 6a square, upper limit x equal to 1, so 1 plus a cube, minus, if we put lower limit 0, so this is nothing but 0 plus 0, so lower limit is 0. So we have the answer dIdA is equal to 6a square plus 6a to the power 5. So now if we see the equation number 2 and 3, we have DUIS rule is verified. Thank you.